Hello, everyone. Welcome to Eureka Sparks. Today's story is about three friends, Ibrahim, Khaled, and Anas. They didn't grow up in the same city. They didn't go to the same school, but they shared one dream, to build something that mattered. Ibrahim was the planner. He always had a notebook full of ideas, sketches, and goals. Khaled was the builder. He loved solving puzzles, writing code, and debugging into the night. Anas? Anas was the voice, the one who believed in their vision and pushed them to keep going. They met online in a free coding forum. Ibrahim asked a question. Khaled answered it. Anas jumped in with a better solution. That was it. A spark, a connection, a shared passion. They started working together on small challenges, then built a landing page for a friend's store, then a mobile app for a local business. It wasn't always smooth. They disagreed, they got stuck, they failed more than once, but they kept showing up. Because deep down, they knew they were stronger together. One night after a long coding session, Khaled said, "Why don't we launch our own product?" Ibrahim immediately pulled out a mind map. Anas smiled. "Let's build something that helps other learners, like we once were." And so they did. They created a simple platform where beginners could practice real projects, get feedback, and build portfolios. It started small, but it caught fire. Because it was real, it was helpful, and it came from the heart. Today, their platform has helped thousands of students. They speak at tech events, they mentor others. They built a remote company, and they never met in person until a year after their launch. This isn't just a story about success. It's a story about friendship, about believing in something bigger than yourself, and about how technology connects people, across borders, backgrounds, and time zones. If you're on a similar journey, maybe you're learning to code right now, or building your first project, or dreaming of launching a startup, know this: you don't have to walk this path alone. Ibrahim, Khaled, and Anas didn't start out with all the skills or knowledge. They learned and grew together. They supported each other through the tough times and celebrated each other's wins. They turned their shared passion into a meaningful product that has changed the lives of countless students. So if you ever feel like giving up, or if the road ahead seems too long or lonely, remember the story of Ibrahim, Khaled, and Anas. Remember that even though they had different strengths and backgrounds, they shared one important thing: a burning desire to learn and make a difference. This is Elzero Sparks, and your journey? It's waiting for teammates too. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like this. You can also listen to this story and more on our podcast. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.